Welcome. In this YouTube content, I would like to tell you, I would like to show you some Microsoft Excel add-ins. You might be wondering, how do I have this chat GPT for Excel in my Microsoft Excel? Don't forget, I'm using Microsoft Excel 2019 version. If I go to the file, under more, I have account, and under this I have the product activated Microsoft Excel Professional Plus 2019. So this is the version I'm using. With that, I have this add-ins notification where I can look for different add-ins, and it is from there I was able to add this chat GPT for Excel. And of course, when you look at the store, the Microsoft Office store, we have several add-ins. So these are the ones that I've added before now. Azure Machine Learning. So are you aware that Microsoft Excel can help you do machine learning? Yes. When you add the Azure Machine Learning, you'll be able to do that. I've already added excuse me, analytics solver as well before now. I've added a people graph before now. I've also added a mini calendar, as well as the chat GPT which you're seeing. So how do you add these things? Let's look for more add-ins. So when you click on these add-ins and you go for more add-ins, you're going to see all, and you're going to, under the category, you're going to see all. You're going to see RMS, that is customer relationship management. You're going to see some add-ins on data analytics, etc. or whatever. So you can see under education, we have several add-ins which you can use. Under productivity, we also have some. Under the Microsoft Excel 365 certified, we have some of the add-ins which you can use. You can see that now. But one thing you should take note, under visualization also, you can see some add-ins. So as a data analyst, I think what you should focus on is things related to the data analytics, and under anything in education and visualization. So under the data analytics, you can see now that we have Microsoft Visio data visualizer. You can see under here we have additional purchase may be required. So everyone you have additional purchase may be required means you need to pay. You need to make some payment, and in this video I just want us to exploit those ones that are free, and those that are free are the ones which I've already added myself as well. So the people graph, I've already added it before now for myself. Azure Machine Learning, I've already added it as well. So they are free. That's why I was able to add them. If I want to do the SAP Analytics Cloud, it requires some payment. You can see additional purchase may be required. And you can also see the review of number of people that has been able to use that add-ins. So that will give you an impression of what you can buy or what you shouldn't consider going for. So you can see as many as possible. So we have the Power GPT as well. I think that is not free. Yeah, it comes with a payment. So we have the live spot alt data, which comes with a payment as well. AI assistance for Excel, it comes with a payment. We have the risk solver app. This is for people that are into optimization and Monte Carlo simulation. So we have as many. You can see the fuzzy lookup for Excel. It requires some payment as well. So you can only exploit those that are still free, those without payment. Let's go on to, if you can still have more. Okay, can you see now? We have InfoWeave. Let me look at that InfoWeave. Yeah, a data report in Excel. So nobody has ever used it. You can try it and be the first person to use it. let's try it. Let's say, because nobody has ever tried it before. Let's look at it and let's add it. Yep, continue. So let's see how it works. So so it has been added to the tab. So when you go there, it asks you to insert a widget, add a data report. Since we have not done anything spectacular, it might not give us any result. So still on the add-ins, more add-ins. So let's go to visualization. Let's see if we can have some add-ins under visualization so that we can explore and see. As I'm scrolling to where I know that I won't need to make any payment before I can use it. So that's why I'm scrolling. Okay, Meta Ads Manager for Excel, the fastest way to view performance data for all of your Meta Ads accounts. So this could be helpful also if you are into Meta account. You can have this. Continue. So there is, and the ads are very easy to use. You just need to explore and follow the instructions there, and you will find it interesting. So this is a Meta Ads Manager for Excel. For those of you that are into digital marketing, schedule media management, this could be an advantage for you. So you can see that now. It's trying to load. Let's wait for it to. So Facebook Ads Manager for Excel. Can you see that? You log into your Facebook, boom, you start having your data. That's fantastic. That's nice. Let's go again. More add-ins under visualization. Let's see what we can have again under visualization. The one that doesn't require payment. We are looking for the free ones. Geographical heat map. You can see this one too. Geographical heat map. Stock tie. So stock tie display the price of stock in real time. So this could be useful for stock marketers. Yeah, this requires payment for people using GIS. Data collection from your phone. So this is how you can exploit this office ads in, and you can see everything that I've added is now here. You can see I just added the meta ads today and the info view, and they are there. Anytime I need to use them, I just use them. That's all. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bye for now.